Welcome to Threaded South. My name is Ashlee Harold, and I've been working as a graphic designer professionally for over 8 years now. I'm also the owner and creator of Threaded South, which is a streetwear brand. And now I decided to create a YouTube channel where I teach others how to become a graphic designer. And even if you have absolutely no interest in becoming a graphic designer, I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself with very easy to follow tutorials. My channel will feature tutorials dedicated to streetwear, like my copycat series, where I mimic some of the most popular streetwear designs today. And you will also see tutorials from my speed designing series. So it's a play off of speed dating, but speed designing series, where I teach you all about design in under 5 minutes or less. Yes, you heard that right. In under 5 minutes or less, I'm going to teach you all about design. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so that you'll be notified of any new and inspiring videos that drop. See you around.